This one is Taki, India, and the other side, if you see, it is Satkhira province of Bangladesh. Shubho Vijay and very happy Dasara to all the viewers of the Urban Nomad. I hope you had a good festival and you are keeping safe, doing all the right things. So officially today is the last day of Durga Puja. So the festival ends with immersion of idol in the river, and today we are going to a very special place. So the place is called Taki, which is a border between India and Bangladesh, and people from both the countries, they come to immerse the idols in Ichamati river, which is essentially the international border, and we are heading straight towards Taki. It is going to take another 2 hours, 60 kilometers from Kolkata. So stay tuned, it's going to be an exciting episode.
Taki is a very old hamlet in the North 24 Parganas district of Bengal. Ichamati river here separates India and Bangladesh.
We have taken Bashanti Kolkata highway, and it is going to take another 1.5 hours to reach. If you are not driving, you can take Hassanabad local from Shialda station, and from Hassanabad station you will get a lot of bus, local taxis and totos, van rickshaws and many other ways of transport. So we are just half an hour away from Taki, and let me show you a funny thing. The Google is also confused. If you see, it is showing 2:27 PM BDT is the arrival time. So BDT is Bangladesh Standard Time. So Google is also confused whether we are driving all the way up to Bangladesh or not.
Taki is also popular tourist and picnic destination from Kolkata, and there are a number of hotels and lodges available there.
So guys, we finally reached Taki. It took around 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, and the final stretch was quite narrow because they have blocked many roads. Finally, we could find a parking. It's a paid parking when we are parking over here. Before starting from Kolkata, we were hearing a lot of conflicting news. Some people said the immersion is not happening this year for the public display. So we wanted to take a chance. We came here and we see a lot of people have come, and then we'll head straight towards the immersion ghat and see what is happening over there. So guys, we have parked our vehicle and now walking towards the Ichamati river, and it is insanely hot in here. It's not only hot, it's very humid as well. Say cheese.
Later we decided to take an e-rickshaw, which is locally known as Toto. This green mode of transport has become a signature of Bengal.
We do see a lot of people here. It is supposed to be very crowded during a normal year. This year there are a lot of restrictions, but I do see there are good number of people. I'm not sure whether you are able to hear me or not because it's very loud, it's very noisy, everyone is enjoying. So if you see behind me, that is the immersion ghat, and I see some idol is waiting there for immersion, and they are doing all the last minute ritual they need to do before putting the idol in the water. So guys, if you see behind me, that is Ichamati river. which is basically international border between India and Bangladesh. This one is Taki, India, and the other side, if you see, other side is Satkhira province of Bangladesh. In between we have this river. So if you see all those boats in line with Indian flags, those are basically, guarding the international border. So they are right on the international border between India and Bangladesh, and there are, regular patrolling of water guards. You could see over there. There is BSF and other, civic and administrative bodies from both sides. In Bangladesh side also, we could see, there are some patrols. So it is a heavily guarded and protected exhibition. So how do you feel, Manasa?
It's actually very surreal, beautiful to see that the land opposite to you, which looks like any other land, is actually another country altogether. So, wonderful feeling.
Just having the feeling that somewhere like long years ago our ancestors were there in that part when we were not separated by this border. So, unique kind of feeling, cannot really describe.
We could see Indian and Bangladeshi boats with their respective flags. Until recent past, boats were allowed to exchange sweets and candies during Dasera under supervision of BDR and BSF. But now that practice has been stopped. This year, there were a lot of restrictions and renting a boat was not an option. Yet, thousands of people gathered to watch the event from riverbank.
So in a normal year, you could have gone there, rented a boat, and seen the immersion right from the river. Now I could see a lot of people gathering at the Satkhira side in the Bangladesh, and I could use my telelens and zoom in and see a Durga idol over there, and they are performing same kind of rituals what we do in this side. So basically we are child of same mother, separated by borders.
Watching Visarjan has always been a mixed feeling. We feel sad but hopeful that next year she will come again, and that's why in Bengal we say আসছে বছর আবার হবে.
So guys, we came back from the immersion ghat and now having some cold lassi. It is insanely hot and humid in here, but the overall experience was awesome. Let me ask my fellow, travelers, how was the experience? How was it?
Yeah, it was very nice. It was really mind-blowing.
Manasa?
We were dead tired, but we enjoyed hell of a lot. So.
It's a completely different kind of thing. Like you don't see this kind of events every now and then, and we enjoyed a lot. If you are, around Kolkata during Durga Puja time, I would highly recommend you to come here. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, give it a like. Don't forget to comment. And if you want to see more of offbeat experiences, unseen places like this, do consider subscribing to my channel. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.